Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on browser notifications for Facebook. So once you're on Facebook, guys, just simple, go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side and click on settings and privacy, then click on settings again. On the left hand side, scroll down and click on notifications. And then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Here you will be able to see a section that says where you receive notifications. This can be in your browser or email. So if you want to turn it on for the browser, click this and expand it and you will see the current browser that you have. So as you can see, I have Chrome here, push notifications, and it's currently turned off. If I want to receive those in Chrome, I can go ahead and toggle it on. So whichever browser you're using as your default browser, it will show up here. And once you turn it on, you will see it on the upper left hand side that it says allow, and you just need to click on that, allow. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. And you will realize that your Facebook will reload, and now you have your browser notification enabled for your current default browser. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.